welcome back. Today we're going to be making Chinese sugar egg puffs. These are sort of like choux pastries, except we're going to be frying it instead of baking. So first we're going to whisk the eggs together and then set it aside. We're just prepping this now so that we don't have to scramble once our dough is ready. We're then going to pour the oil and water into a pot and then bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, pour in all the flour and vigorously mix it until it starts forming a dough. Make sure that you turn off the heat once you've poured in the flour, and you can also remove it off the stove. Just continue mixing it until it turns into a ball of dough. Then place the dough into a clean bowl and just mix it around for a little while to cool it down. Once the dough is cool to touch, you can add in half the whisked eggs and then continue mixing it until the egg is totally incorporated into the dough. We're then going to add in half of the remaining egg mixture and then mix it until it's incorporated again. And then we're going to slowly add in the remaining eggs and continue mixing it until it forms a thick glossy paste. Then we're going to heat a pot of oil over medium-low heat. You don't want the oil to be too hot, otherwise it's going to cook the dough too quickly. We're then going to put in a tablespoon of dough into the oil, and then you should see it slowly start puffing up until it's like 3 times the size. We're then going to repeat this with the remaining dough. Make sure not to overcrowd your pot as the dough will puff up a lot. Once your egg puffs are ready, just coat them in some sugar and they're ready to eat. These are usually just coated in white sugar at Yum Cha, but today I've made a strawberry flavored one where I've just blended some freeze-dried strawberries and then mixed it with sugar and coated it in the egg puffs. I also made a matcha flavored one as well, where I've mixed in a teaspoon of matcha powder with the sugar and then used that to coat the egg puffs. And that's it. You've basically got yourself a Chinese version of donuts. The outside is crispy and the inside is pillowy and soft.